as far as the diet chart is concerned of the Delhi Chief Minister from the All India Institute of Medical Sciences that has now been accessed, as far as he directly, Siddharth, if you can point that out, he's been asked to avoid fruits that are high in sugar. That includes mangoes and chikus and other fruits as well.
Absolutely, Amita. So let me just take you through this document. Now, just to give us, our viewers, an indication of Kejriwal's health at this juncture, here are some of the parameters that have in fact been assessed. Height, 165 centimeters. His weight is at 65, which was pretty much what his weight was at the time that he was imprisoned. His body mass index currently is 23.8. Now, this is the prescribed raw intake of food for Mr. Arvind Kejriwal: milk, curd and buttermilk, paneer, boiled egg, pulses and legumes, whole cereals, seasonal vegetables and green leafy vegetables, seasonal fruits, cooking oil, nuts and salt, and the prescribed quantity on a daily basis. Now, after this, of course, these are the specific foods that he was actually recommended to avoid. Let me just take you through those details as well. Fried foods like puri, paratha, samosa, pakoda, bhujia, namkeen, paneer, 30 grams, pickles, papad, etc. Sweets, cake, jam, chocolate, sugar, jaggery, honey and ice cream. Sodas, fruit juices, sugar-sweetened beverages and sweet lassi is also to be avoided. Fruits like mango, this is important. Fruits like mango, banana, chiku, lychee, grapes, etc. are to be avoided. Vegetables like potato, arbi, jimikand, etc. in restricted amounts can be consumed. Hydrogenated fat, trans fat, ghee, egg yolk, butter, organ meats, full cream milk and salt on table. So these are the specific foods that he's been actually told to avoid.
Generally everyone knows. Madhav is also with us right now. Madhav, there is a clear checklist. What to consume and what not to consume. And mangoes and chiku and other fruits are already clear.
Absolutely. This is very, very big news that is being broken by our colleague Priyank Tripathi. He has in fact accessed this particular AIIMS diet chart, and this is the diet chart that should have been followed by prisoners such as Arvind Kejriwal. This specifically mentions avoid fried foods such as puri, paratha, samosa, pakoda, bhujia, namkeen, paneer, etc. more than 30 grams. Avoid pickles, papad, avoid sweets, cake, jam, chocolate, sugar, jaggery, honey, ice cream, sodas, fruit juice, sweetened beverages as well as sweet lassi, and fruits such as mango, banana, chiku, lychee, grapes, etc. Vegetables such as potato, arbi in restricted amounts. Now the point over here is this, that the diet chart of Arvind Kejriwal, and this is the point that was made by the Enforcement Directorate. This was later of course subject of a political debate between the BJP and Aam Aadmi Party as well. But the legal point being made by the Enforcement Directorate over here is this, that if he is a diabetic patient, then he certainly should not be consuming, fruits with high glycemic index such as mango. Bananas also can be consumed but in limited quantities, but it's specifically mentioned here in the AIIMS diet chart that items such as fried food, puri, paratha, etc. should not be consumed, and also that sweets are avoidable. All of these categories were mentioned on multiple occasions in the diet chart that the Enforcement Directorate had submitted to the court just yesterday. Today the court has asked for Tihar Jail authorities to actually verify that, to ratify that, whether this is actually the food that was consumed by Arvind Kejriwal. But from the submissions of the ED in the court, it does appear that Arvind Kejriwal and this diet chart could be, at some level or the other, whether the court takes it seriously, whether they will further go ahead and give some orders, it remains to be seen. But certainly a very, very curious situation that now appears to have been taking place, where the foods consumed by Arvind Kejriwal, even though it was home-cooked food, is something that the AIIMS recommendations are directly against.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.